What's good? It's Creative Kera here, back with another video. First and foremost, I want to say thank you. Guys, my last video was quite some time ago. I had some personal things going on with my family, so I wasn't able to post, but I'm back. In my last video, I thanked you guys for getting me to 100 subscribers. And the time that I'm making this video, I have 625 subscribers. So guys, like, that's, to me, that's crazy. Like, thank you so much. I appreciate every single one of you. And I'm gonna do 1,000 subscriber giveaway, so like, let me know in the comments below what you guys will want. Obviously I'm a new YouTuber, I've never done a giveaway before, so I don't even know like what to give away, but I'm gonna do something because you guys are the bomb. So don't forget, I'm still on my hashtag KreativeKera1000. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so if you're watching this, you definitely should subscribe. But anyways, you're not here for that, so let's get into the video. All right, so we are all pretty much locked down. Like, this restrictions in a few states are going to be lifted soon, but we're still pretty much in quarantine thanks to COVID. And some people need to make money. So you guys love my business video so much, so I made another one, and this is like kind of quarantine COVID friendly. So people are home, people are still spending money, and one thing that people are still spending money on is home decor. Like, we're home, so people are spending money to make their homes look better than they had before, because all types of people have different lifestyles, and a lot of people may not spend time at home, but now they're stuck there and they want to make it look better. So what better than to make pillow covers? See how, oh my god, guys, this pillow I made, I love it. It's like a little rose heart shape that says baddie, because anywho. So I want to talk about pillow covers today. So pillow covers are a big thing. I always use Etsy as like a starting point for my business ventures, because I'm a creative and Etsy is like a place for creatives. Like, you can have your own website, all that good stuff, but Etsy is like the place to go. And a lot of people on Etsy who sell pillow covers use print on demand, meaning that they have designs, they use a third party to print the pillowcases, and they either, order them to, have in stock, or they send them directly to you at from the print on demand company. And what's happened is, because of COVID, everything is backed up. The print on demand people are slammed. The mail is horrible right now. So everything is kind of backed up, and people are not wanting to wait 2 to 4 weeks for a pillow cover when they want those things now. So pillow covers right now are a great idea to make some money, because you can literally buy some pillow blanks, some vinyl, and get into the game and smash it. So I'm kind of going to talk to you about how I made this beautiful pillow cover, 18 by 18. It's amazing. It's soft. But yeah, so I'm going to just talk to you about this pillow cover, how you can make these for the low, and how you can make some money while we're in quarantine. So first of all, I want to talk about the overall good looks on this. So Etsy pillowcases for 18 by 18, that's 18 inches across, 18 inches or length and width. Those pillowcases run about $25 on Etsy. So that's a kind of great starting point to say, hey, I could charge $25 for a pillow that I made. So I want to kind of break down to you what I use to make this pillow, how much it cost me, and what it could look like for you. So first, the design. You see that I have this beautiful rose shaped into a heart, and it says baddie on the inside. So the rose was this image. I got this for free, off a free pick for free with a commercial use. So that means you can sell it without any issues with the person who created it. Then I also got the font off of the font. Those are free to download as well. So this was a completely free image that I have here on this pillow. It cost me nothing to get the image. Now for the pillowcase itself, so what you do is you have to buy pillow blanks. Well, this is the pillow blank right here. It comes blank. I do not have the other one in my room right now, so I'll insert it somewhere here in this video. But we buy the blanks. So I bought these blanks from Amazon, and don't mind me, I have my friend's iPad. Shout out to Denzel too. My computer, when it could put my MacBook, when it could put on me before this all started, I haven't been able to get it fixed yet, so he's letting me hold down his iPad, so shout out to him. But the pillow covers themselves, the pillow blanks for themselves, I bought a 4-pack from Amazon, and I will link everything down below. These were $14 for 4, so it brings them to about $3.50 per pillowcase. And then this is made from vinyl. The design is made from vinyl. I bought a 5-yard pack of heat transfer vinyl, which means that it transfers onto other surfaces with heat. That was $17. That roll that I got, that 5 feet roll, will make about 4 designs on an 18 by 18 pillow. So the cost for that was $17. So per pillow design, it'd be about $4.25. But if you have like a smaller design, like say you just had lettering, you could probably make 10 or 20 out of that same amount of vinyl. It just depends on what design you have. Yeah, so those things were from Amazon, and the pillowcase itself is very high quality. So I'm not going to show you the back because my pillow inserts were hella flat, and I had to put 2 in here to make it look like nice and juicy. So it's not zipped in the back. But you can buy 18 by 18 inserts to put in there. Usually when you buy pillowcases, shops, websites, they don't send you the insert, or if they do, you have to purchase it separately, so you don't even have to worry about that. That's just more of something that you want to do. But yeah, so this getting into making pillows is really profitable, and it's something that you can do now. It's something that people are still buying and paying for, and you have a one-up on those like Etsy sellers, because they are using, most are, I'm not gonna say all, but a lot are using those like designs where you see like colorful pictures. Let me show you one. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you really quickly the Etsy website to show you like what I'm talking about. So this is a site that sells pillowcases. They're 18 by 18, $18. So still in the range between 18 to 25. But these are all print on demand. So these people are not going to be able to get their pillow covers out as quickly as they have been before. And if you kind of look, I mean, these ones right here are more than likely not print on demand. They may have these on hand, but still, most of these pillow covers are print on demand. These pink ones, these blue ones in the middle. And what you're going to do is you're going to be able to have that one up on them at this point in time, because not one, you can make custom pillow covers, but also you have lower shipping and production times on your pillow covers. If you look at these ones, these Disney ad ones right here, now I can't say for certain, but these may be the same type of pillows that I'm making with a blank and vinyl. But again, I can't 100% confirm that, but that is something that, like I said, you'll have a one-up during COVID, during this pandemic, that will allow you to make money with selling pillowcases. Okay, guys, so we're here in my craft dungeon, as you've guys seen before. Those chairs are actually going to be from my next video, so stay tuned. But we have the pillowcases here. I showed you the final product already, but here's a pillowcase from Amazon. Also, here's a vinyl that I'm using. Is from Amazon as well. I'll link everything down below. And I just want to give you a quick overview of the process so you guys can kind of get an idea. I already cut my image out with Cricut, so it's already cut. Now I'm going to weed out the image so that you can see what I'm actually going to be applying to the pillow. We'll get to the applying, and then we'll be done. This is a really short process once your image is cut out. So let's get to it. Okay, so I weeded my design, meaning just taking like the extra layer off. And well, I took it off first. And look how cute. How cute this is. So again, I did get this off a free pick. So the design won't cost you anything. I got the font off of the font. You're not supposed to use them to like sell things, but you know, user beware. So here I have my Cricut heat press. I'm gonna turn this on and get it warm. As you can tell, the pillowcase is a little wrinkled, so I'm just gonna run this across it really quickly once it warms up. And if you don't have a heat press, don't worry about going and getting one. Honestly, you can really use an iron if you have it. It's the same thing, really. Like, most people are like, oh, don't use an iron because blah blah blah, doesn't heat evenly. I've never had a problem with using iron. They heat evenly. Only reason why I have this press, I'm gonna keep it 100 with you because I was using the iron before. They were discontinuing them, and they had this one on clearance at Hobby Lobby for like $34. So I had to get it. But yeah, so it's heating up right now. I'm still gonna use it because it's hot, and it's really gonna rub it across, get those creases out, so it'll be nice and cute when it's time to put get the press on here. Okay. Something is on this pillowcase. Ooh. Let me use another one. Like that. Oh, and two, I wanted to show you something on this pillowcase. I really enjoy that it is a zipper and not like has a zipper on it. It's not like one of those fold over ones. I hate those. So we're gonna do that one more time, people. Oh, now it's ready. So we'll iron that out nicely so it has a good surface to put itself on. Brow. Now with this, okay, so now I'm about to press the image on. It's gonna be so cute. And a little baddie pillow. Make sure it's even. Now you're supposed to use like a Teflon sheet or parchment paper so that the plastic covering doesn't melt doesn't melt on the heat press. I cannot find it for whatever reason, so don't judge me. I'm using a Joann's bag to apply a layer of protection from my heat. Like I said, don't judge me. I had to make it work, okay? So let me just double check. I like the placement on here. I do. Me likes. So I'm gonna lay my parchment paper down. Let me just check this. I haven't used this vinyl before, so let me just double check the heat settings. Let me see if you can see it. You can't. Oops. But anywho, so the heat settings for this is 285 temperature, 285 to 300. So I'm gonna put it on 300. It's 285 to 305, so I'm gonna put it at 295, and then I need it for 10 to 15 seconds of heat, and then you can peel it off. So guys, like seriously, if you have your design already set in like Cricut Design Space and you just print it, warm up your heat press or warm up your iron, weed it, put it on here. This can be like a 5 to 10 minute process, and you can bust these things out. So that beep means it's ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and place it on top. Do a 30-second timer. I'm gonna do it for 30 seconds because I already know the game. I know how this stuff goes sometimes. So I'm just gonna heat press it for 30 seconds and just move it around slightly with a little pressure so that it heats evenly and it transfers the vinyl. And you don't have to worry about it moving because the top layer of the clear coat is sticky, so should be good. All right. Oh, shoot. Let's see. Okay, we need to do it again. So I'm gonna do this again. I'm gonna get it right, and then I'll be back to you guys with the final result. Well, you already seen it, but you get the vibes. You know the vibes. Don't even do me like that, okay? So I peeled back. This worked actually really good, so doing that. So now the box lied about the time. You need to use it on 360 for like 2 minutes to actually get this vinyl to stick. So I probably wouldn't recommend this vinyl, but I'll put a vinyl that I recommend down in the description box. Sorry guys, that was really gross. But anywho, so also too, I just wanted to say, like, this one said like hot or cold peel. I don't recommend hot peel because it was like not doing what need to be done. But I'm gonna go ahead and peel this baby off, and we'll have a nice pretty pillowcase. Oh yeah, I don't like this vinyl, guys. Like, it's so creasy. Ugh. But I mean, honestly, when you get once you get this off, it's going to be a super cute pillowcase. Yeah, this vinyl is not the best. I probably will actually return it. Oh no, honey, I gotta go back over this spot. Like, it looks cute, but some of the spots are coming up, and I pressed this for like longer than normal. So let me do this one more time, and then she should be done. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.